Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Life360 and signing in. Once you're on the map, go directly to the menu or settings gear at the top right. Tap circles, then pick the circle containing the person or device whose location you want to stop sharing. Next, choose the specific member or device entry to open their details. This is where the app exposes sharing controls. Do this now so you can access the toggles and permissions you'll change in the next steps. Once you're inside the member details, locate location sharing or the share location toggle and switch it off. You'll often see a confirmation prompt, accept it. Then, make sure the device itself isn't forcing sharing. On iPhone, check settings privacy location services. On Android, check settings location. If Life360 has background location permission, revoke or set it to while using the app. Doing both app and system changes ensures the sharing truly stops. Finish by confirming the map no longer shows live updates for that member. Once done, restart Life360 and the device to clear cache status. Make sure the app version is current, and if sharing still appears active, sign out and back in or reinstall Life360. That often resolves sync errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if location reappears, double-check the device's system location permission and any battery or data saver setting that might auto-reset permissions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.